Welcome to another episode of Poppin' Breakdown. Guys, hello, my name is Ceech and I teach. This is the Monday class, Poppin' class at the Get Down in San Jose, California. And what I'm gonna do is show you the routine and break it down. Also, I'm gonna give you a link to the entire class doing the routine. So let's check this out first and then we'll break it down for you guys. Here we go from the top. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This part is basically just popping the arms, right? Popping the arm, popping the legs. The pogo, that's the key, okay? That's the lesson of the day. Pogo is a dance move. I want to say from the 70s, maybe even earlier, I don't know. But for those that remember what a pogo stick is, you're jumping up and down this little spring stick. But creative dancers make a dance out of it. All right, so we're gonna utilize that in popping. And then we freestyle right there. All right, and that's it. So we're gonna slow this down, but however, before we do that, I'm gonna give a shout out to all my people here at the Get Down, my popping class, especially Monday popping class. So at the end of the video, you're gonna see the entire class doing this routine. So breaking this down, I'm gonna play this at half speed. All right, here we go. Let's go from the top. Oops, here we go, from the top. So this part is popping. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm popping my legs. Okay, watch when I step out. I'm popping the legs and the arms. And then come in. 5, 6, 7, 8. So when you guys are drilling this part, guys, it's really important because, I mean, what's the essence of popping, right? It's giving that illusion that your body just snaps, that pops. And it's training that fast twitch muscle to do what you want it to do, all right? So we got to step out, step in, popping. All the while, we're popping the arms and the legs. Of course, if you're intermediate to advanced level dancer, you could pop your chest, your neck, and whatever you want to do, okay? Now we all want to practice this angle. A lot of time when people twist or bend their waist, what happens is their hamstring get tight and they don't pop their knees or pop their legs. So this is a good training to pop, boom. And also now being lower now when you bend here, you really don't have the power of popping your knee back. So now you really got to practice your arms, boom, coming back and coming back up, all right? So as far as choreography, that's not that hard. Now we're gonna go into pogo. This is the pogo. You're gonna jump side to side, okay? Now this side right here, this is actually the key. This is the main thing right there. We're going right from pogo into this boogaloo roll right here. Pogo, pogo, and then around, walk out, and then step together. All right, let me rewind that just one more time. So to count for the pogo, it's 1 and 2, 3, 4. Hold the 5, step together on the 6, and then and 8. Hold the 7, coming back on and 8. Okay. One more time. Here we go. 1 and 2, 3, 4. Hold the 5, step on 6, hold the 7, come back on and 8. Okay. All right, so that's really the key. But I want to review just a little bit right here. This little boogaloo roll right here. This roll, my hip is going back. It's kind of hard to tell because the camera's from the front, but hip is going back. It's almost doing like a semicircle from the back. There you go. See that? And then the upper body is going to a semicircle from the front. And then from here, right into the walkout. Boom. Okay, now you just got to hold the 7, come back on and 8. Okay. So now here we're keeping that rhythm, the boom, 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 you know? And we're using that. So if you have a partner, this is where we switch position. Switch position and then switch position, all right? And then on the 7-8, you would look at each other on the and 8, coming back on and 8, okay? And then we're gonna start everything all over. Now, going to the left side. So when we first start, it's going to the right side. Now it's the left side. So everything from here is now basically the mirror of the other side. 7, 8. And then same thing. This first few part, we're just popping. We're just practicing the power of our arms and the legs. Okay. Making sure the timing is right on. So here we go. Now, pogo. So instead of jumping to the right, now we're jumping to the left. Okay. I know we're looking at me, so it looks like it's to the right, but it's actually to our left. So jump to the left, and then and 2 right there, and then swing around. 3 and then 4. Hold the 5. Oop, lost my balance right there. I'm gonna keep this in anyway, so you guys see that not every time is gonna be perfect. All right, boom. So then afterwards, what we did in class is after we're done, then we get to freestyle for an 8 count or 2 8 counts or whatever the group decides to do. You could pre-choreograph your solos, you know, if you're starting off. But the idea is that get you guys familiar with dancing with eyes on you. You know what I mean? So, and then that's it. Boom, just working on popping. That's it. All right, guys, this is a quick, what I'm going to do right now is show you guys what the class doing together. All right? And one more thing, guys, if this is the type of content you love, this is the type that this content helps you, you can support the channel by hitting the like. It definitely helps more than you know. So we definitely appreciate that. And won't you consider subscribing if you haven't already, because I put out these type of contents every week. And again, lately it's been almost every day. So yeah, subscribe, hit the like, do all that good stuff, and join us. What I'm announcing this right now, and if you made it all the way to the end, I do appreciate it. What I'm gonna do is start a Discord channel where we get to hang out. So for those that are interested in kind of hearing more how I got started, my thoughts and things like that, and how to get better, I'm gonna start that real soon. But anyways, be on the lookout for that. Let's go back to this. Check it out. 6, 7, 8. Guys, I'm going to stop talking real soon. But anyways, I want to thank you guys for joining me. Until next time, my name is Ceech. Peace, and I'm out.